The Deputy Chief of Indian Army Lieutenant General Rahul Singh has revealed that Pakistan was receiving real-time intelligence inputs on India's critical military deployments from China during the conflict, and Turkey provided drones along with trained drone operators on the ground. He also talked about Round 2 with Pakistan, and that India needs to prepare for it as soon as possible with additional air defense rocket artillery and drone systems. Pakistan has formally requested Turkish defense firm Baykar Technologies to investigate the massive failure of the YIHA-III high-precision UAVs that were shot down by Indian Garud commando snipers. The head of Turkey's defense industry agency is expected to visit Bangladesh to meet interim government chief advisor Muhammad Yunus, as the two countries seek to expand military industry partnership. Two wanted terrorists have been arrested from Andhra Pradesh, who were planning bomb blasts in 3 major Indian cities, and explosives enough to make 60 IDs were seized. Pakistan Air Force Chief has arrived in United States, and he held a series of meetings with US Air Force Chief and top civilian leaders, and multiple credible sources confirm that Pakistan used this visit to explore acquisition of F-16 Block 70 fighter jets, advanced air defense systems, AIM-7 Sparrow air-to-air missiles, and the HIMARS artillery launchers. India has issued a NOTAM warning for an Indian Air Force exercise near the southern section of its border with Pakistan from 9 July to 10 July. India has issued a NOTAM warning for a designated range of 675 kilometers for a missile test between 17th to 18th July, which could be related to BMD program. The DRDO has launched a project to develop an indigenous turbocharger for the 1,500 horsepower indigenous DATRAN engine for the Arjun Mark 1A tanks. Ghana has shown a clear interest in defense equipments and training support from Indian defense firms. The Defense Ministry has approved 10 military projects worth over 1 lakh crore rupees, that includes 12 mine countermeasure vessels, 3 QRSAM regiments, 3 ISTAR aircraft, semi-submersible drones for surveillance, 76mm super rapid gun mounts, sea mines, armored recovery vehicles and electronic warfare systems. Haryana-based startup Sharang Shakti has launched Vajra hard-kill autonomous drone interceptor that uses AI to track and crash into enemy drones in mid-air. The DRDO has conducted the successful trial of its first moored autonomous underwater sonar system that confirmed the system's reliability and operational integrity. Kalyani Strategic Systems Limited has incorporated a new subsidiary Agni Astra Energetics Limited for the manufacturing of explosives, explosive filling gun and rocket propellant. Indian Army has released a request for information to procure 400 high-mobility reconnaissance vehicles, which will be delivered within 24 months of contract signing. After securing orders for 31 MQ-9B Predator drones, US firm General Atomics is particularly enthusiastic about offering its advanced Gambit series of unmanned aerial vehicles to India, that includes a range of autonomous AI-powered near-supersonic speed aircraft designed to support fighter jets, and conduct a variety of missions including surveillance strike and electronic warfare. According to latest information, India's upcoming Project 75I submarines will be equipped with at least 8 Brahmos extended-range missiles using a vertical launch system, allowing them to hit land and sea targets at 800 kilometers away while remaining submerged, while the 6 Kalvari-class and Kilo-class submarines will get the lighter Brahmos next-generation missile that fits in standard torpedo tubes. Talks with key stakeholders are underway to integrate the vertical launch system into the selected German Type 214NG submarine, and Germany has also agreed to develop a stronger air-independent propulsion system for the Type 214NG submarine to boost its underwater endurance. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.